UN Special Envoy Martin Griffiths visits Tehran for talks on Yemen. Saudi-led coalition says intercepted Houthi armed drone attack. A European delegation arrives in Aden to discuss peace efforts with the Yemen government. Thousands gathered for the second day of street protests in Myanmar. The United States will step up diplomacy to end the war in Yemen, said Secretary of State. In India, as many as 150 people have been feared dead after the Himalaya glacier broke as crashed into a dam. In Afghanistan, the Taliban warned of more violence if the Doha Agreement is violated by the US. In Pakistan, the death toll due to pandemic has now reached 11,967 and there are 32,265 active cases in the country.